Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I am blessed. I hope everyone is blessed, and I hope you all having a fine day, a fine weekend, afternoon, whatever it is. May God bless you all today. Oh, I'm going to read my scriptures today, and I've already shared them. Going to be sharing them with you guys, and I hope that as I read the scripture, there will be someone that it will help for today. Thou hast not failed one word of all His goodness promises. Thou have not failed one word of all of His good promises. 1 King 8 and 56. Okay? He that hath heareth my word and believeth on Him that sent me have everlasting life. John 5 and 24. He that heareth my word and believeth on Him that sent me have here everlasting life. John 5 and 24. And I hope these words will help someone today or tomorrow or whenever this is a reading. I hope you all will understand. And may God bless you with the reading of my scriptures for today. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm getting ready. I have some chicken thighs that I have cut up. And I had skins on them, so I just kind of made them strips like. And I'm going to take them, I'm going to make them, and I'm going to put all of my seasoning on them just a minute. But I've already just kind of stripped them out. They were pretty good size. I left the bone in some of them, and I just kind of took the biggest part of the meat off. And I'm going to fry them, and I'm going to, in onion, and make an onion gravy, what you call a skillet type of chicken with gravy, with onion gravy with it, okay. But it's made out of chicken thighs, thank you. So I'm getting ready now to cut the heat back on. Okay, so I'm going to get up and put all of my ingredients on it. As usual, I have the same thing: onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. That was the onion powder. Now this is my garlic powder. Black pepper. And the complete. Okay. I don't have a lot of complete today, so I'm going to go slow with it today, so. All right, I'm going to be putting the chicken into my flour. I'm putting the flour on top. That's to make the gravy out of. I need to get me some water. Give me a bottle of water. Okay, you guys, I'm using the brown gravy mix to put it in there. It's probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to pour water in now. That will finish out the gravy. It's not enough. I'm going to put a little bit more. I don't know. I'm going to let it off for a little while. And I'll be back with this. And then I'm going to start another one. Okay, this is the final presentation of my chicken thighs. They're chicken.
Okay, yeah, this is her smothered thighs and gravy that she's tasting. All right.
You are very, very hot. And I thank you all. And it's very, very good. Everything is it is off the chain. Try it. I know you will like them. I just took my chicken thighs and cut them up with onions and bell peppers and everything and make gravy on top of the skillet. On top of the stove. And the gravy is delicious. It is out of sight. Off the chain. So you all please try it. This is Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you all so much for watching. And this is very good. So I hope you all will try it. This is just a real nice little dinner. Something that you can have with your other vegetables. And maybe hot rolls or something of that sort. Green potatoes. And it's just a chicken thighs. And I just kind of slice them down. And made with the this has the bone in it. I took the skin off although, and just left the bone in because the bone helps to season it once it turn it over. And you put your little gravy and everything, your black pepper and everything, and all my seasoning in it with the bell peppers and onions. So it's very good. I want you all to try it as soon as you can, and I think you will love it because this is something simple that you can make real quick during the hot days that's coming up. Thank you so much, and. For Miss Lena, and thank you for all my supporters, all of the new subscribers, all of my new members, and everyone that has been there with me for a long time. I appreciate you all so much with all my love. For Miss Lena's Kitchen. Goodbye now. See you later. Bye-bye.